Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today let us talk about SMS backup and restore application. So this is application that a lot of people are not even aware of it. This application is very important for those of us who are using Android phone. It's very important that you should have this application in your phone, because with this application you can be able to back up your SMS, back up your call log. You don't have to worry yourself whenever your phone got stolen, god forbid your phone got damaged, or as a result of flashing. Sometimes when you flash your phone, you will discover that you lose almost everything on your phone, even though we have a backup in the WhatsApp. But our SMS, sometimes we used to lose them in the process of flashing our phones. So if you use this this SMS backup that I'm going to show you and teach you how you can use it today, you don't have to worry about your SMS, your call log, all the calls you have been making, the missed calls and everything. You can actually back everything up using this application. So it's very important for us to have this application in our mobile Android smartphones. So I'm going to be showing you step by step how you are going to use this application so that you don't have any problem. So watch me, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Follow this page, subscribe, hit the notification button, and if you have any question, you can actually use the comment section. So let's go and let me show you how this application works. So thank you guys and welcome back. So I'll be showing you guys this application, and it's very important. Just like I said, it's very important for everyone to have this application on their phone, because with it you can be able to safeguard your SMS whenever you have your phone flash and got stolen or damaged. So this is the application we are talking about here. So all you have to do is, if you don't have the application, you just go to your Play Store. You go to your Play Store, your Google Play Store. So these are Google Play Store, sorry. You go to your Google Play Store here, you click, then you click the search, app and game, then you type SMS backup. So you can see the application. So look at the application. So look at it here. You can just open it, then you click your install. You click it, the application will install. Now wait till it is done installing. So that is it. So once it is done installing, then we open it. So this application is very important, just like I've stated earlier. For those of us who are using Android phone, you need this application, because you will use this application. With this application you can be able to back up your SMS, not just your SMS but your call log, all the calls, all the missed calls, everything. You can back it, you can save it here, so that even if you lost your phone, or you mistakenly damage your phone, or you flash the phone, you can be able to get another phone and put in the Gmail, register it just the way I'm about to do it now, and all your messages will be intact, nothing, because the messages is backed up on the Google Drive. So the messages and your call log are back up on the Google Drive. So whenever you just get in another smartphone, just put in your Gmail on. After downloading the application, your messages and your call log will be back just like it is before. So I'm going to let's get started. So I have to allow. So because I've already did the registration before, so I've already linked my Gmail on it. I've done all the necessary. But if you have not done it before, you just download it, then your normal registration. So I've did my backup that I did earlier. So this one is my call log, while this is my SMS. So it's very easy to use. All you have to do is just to go to you click these three dots up here. You click these three dots, then you click backup now, or restore. If I've already backup, I can actually do restore. If I have not done any restore, you can even do transfer. You can even transfer the SMS from this very phone to another SMS. So all you have to do is just to click the backup. So then you choose what and what you want to back up. You want to back up the message, the call log. So you click it, you click allow, you select allow, then you click our call log, you select allow so that you can allow it to access it on our device. So where do you want to back it up to? We have our Google Drive, so we use our Google Drive. So here we can now select which folder where do you want to save the call log from. Already I've logged in with my Gmail. You have to log in with your Gmail. So this is my Gmail up here. I've already logged in my Gmail. So just when you download this application, you just have to do your normal registration, put in your Gmail, your password, create password, and this and that. So it's just as simple as ABC. After you do that, then you select which do you want to download. The old they say delete backup older than. So I don't want to download anything. I want to leave them so that maybe tomorrow I might also come back to make use of them. So you press your save. Then let's select our folder. You can now select our folder. Where do you want to save it? So you you log into your Google Drive. Yes, access here. You press OK. So you choose which of your Gmail. Though this is my Gmail I am using. So just press open. So you can see them here. So this is a folder. I can actually say let me use this folder because I've already saved my folder earlier on before. So if I don't want to save it here, I can actually you can actually create a new one by pressing these three dots up here. When you press it, you can see your create folder. So you can click it to create an additional folder if you don't want to save it here. But whether you create a folder, you don't create a folder, the backup will always be on the app. So you don't need to even look for it. Maybe go to this folder, go here, go here. No. Once you click the application, the folder is already there on the device. You understand? So we just have to say use this device, use this folder. We just have to use this folder, which I will be clicking here. So when I click it, it's come back here. Then I'll press save. I'll press save here. So I'll click this save here. So once I click it, it will automatically then click my backup. So yeah, you see it's backing up now. You can see it's backing up now. So it is back. It has back up my message. All my new messages, everything will be back up now. So it will be added to the older one that I have here. See the old one I have already back up before. So that's how the application works. It's as easy as everything. And with this thing, you can be able to save your message. You don't need to worry too much when you lost your phone, because most of your SMS will be here and they are stored in your Google Drive. So you don't have to worry about anything. And anytime you get another phone, you can be able to download the same application, put in your Gmail that you used to use in your registration, and you are good to go. So that is how it is. And this is the application, like I said earlier, this is the application Google Backup and Restore. So that's the name of the application. You can download it, then register it, then do a full backup of your SMS and your call log, so that anytime your phone got missing, you can actually go back and reset it back. So that is that. So with this application, you can be able to safeguard your information. You don't have to worry about data loss, because with this application, your data is stored and is stored for life. As long as you didn't open it and press the delete, your data is stored for life. So use this application, is highly recommended. And thank you very much. Just once again, see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.